I'm gonna do a finish engine update. And I just finished. I got these plenums today. And you know what, let me do this. So we're gonna get the hood down first. There's the gorgeous, I have my race pins. You know, these, I color matched. What I also did is that side marker, you know, at certain angles, you just can't even tell that it's there. So, you know, let's pop these and let's do the engine reveal. Of course, we have our carbon fiber BMW, and let's get that guy up. Here we go. So, the Duane, there are those plenums that Rick was working on. My buddy Tim just dropped them off to me a little while ago. What a nightmare getting these guys on. So we've got our Duane intakes, mass airflow sensors, Vanos. I always say that these are header covers, but these are our Vanos line covers. Jacob from Etsy, he's no longer making any of this, and he's actually closed his shop. They only made 3 sets of these, those cabin filters. Here's all of this is hand laid carbon. So that is a complete engine bay. You know, where are those red carbon air scoops? And yeah, so that's what's going on, man. Finally finished. We'll close this up. And I'm happy. It took me so long to put those in, to cut those in. You know, what am I gonna do? So she's almost complete. Almost complete. Big brakes. We got good concaveness back there. The rims. We have exhaust, intake. You know, let's do a cold start right now. Get in here.